Security guard killed in motor vehicle collision. St. Richard's Infant School principal targeted in gun attack. St.Ann man gunned down at his gate. Please remember to subscribe, like, share, comment, and don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can always be updated with the latest news. Now for the news in details. A security guard died as a result of injuries he sustained after the motorcycle he was driving collided with a motor car in Little London, Westmoreland on Monday afternoon. The deceased has been identified as 22-year-old Renardo Rose of Little Bay, Westmoreland address. Reports are that about 2:40 p.m., Rose was driving his motorcycle on the Little London main road when he collided with a Toyota Corolla motorcar traveling in the opposite direction. He sustained injuries and was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead. The Negril police are investigating. A school principal was this morning the target of a gun attack off Red Hills Road in St. Andrew. The principal of St. Richard's Infant and Preschool on Red Hills Road in the parish was not injured. However, the police believed she was the target of the attack, which happened after 6 a.m. on Sunrise Crescent on Thursday. Gunmen reportedly pulled up on a motorcycle next to the motor vehicle she was in and fired shots. However, no one was injured in the attack. The school, which is located on the same property as St. Richard's Primary School, has reportedly suspended classes for the day. A St.Ann man was gunned down at his home in Beecher Street, Golden Grove on Wednesday. The deceased has been identified as 22-year-old Calvin Francis, otherwise called Frederick, a mining attendant. Police report that Francis was shot and killed by gunmen while at his gate around 8:10 p.m. The lawmen say residents heard explosions and summoned them. When they arrived at the scene, Francis was found at the entrance to his yard with gunshot wounds. He was taken to hospital where he was pronounced dead.